Jamaica, and wife's not really feeling all that great, so I had breakfast without her, and we're not doing it. We didn't have anything planned for Jamaica, so thinking about getting into the Havana pool a little bit later on. Maybe right now, I don't know. We'll see. It's nice and warm out here. I'll just go cool off down there is what I'm thinking about doing. Anyway, yeah, it's turning hot. Sun's coming out. Left my sunglasses in the room. I think it was a good day to get down into Havana and go cool off a little bit. Go cool off in the Havana. Man, those guys are loud over there. Well, anyway, anyways, yeah, you guys gotta come here. But as for us here, we decided on this back-to-back cruise that Jamaica is one of those ports that we would stay on the ship. I think if this was just one cruise, right, not back to back, we may have booked something. We probably would have. But since we're doing probably our favorite port next week at Honduras, we're sitting here thinking, well, you know, this is a place where we could kind of omit, you know. And but you can definitely tell a lot of people are having fun. I will say this, the people that stayed on the ship, for the most part, are all older people, like Diamond Platinum people, by the way, Platinum cruise. Yeah, most Diamond Platinum stayed on the ship because it's kind of like when you be here, or when you come here, you know, once or a few times or a handful of times, that's all you need of it, right? The port itself doesn't have a lot of shopping area. There is a little bit, but not like Cozumel and places like that. So I would definitely say come here, get you an excursion, book it through Carnival, but I wouldn't, you know, I'm not going to sit here and just come to Jamaica. Yeah, going to Jamaica. It's one of those places. Scooby snack, right?
Oh yes.
That's really sweet. I can barely taste any alcohol in it. It's got
rum shot.
rum. That's the reason why rum is sweet.
Yeah. Midori and pineapple.
Pineapple. That's what I get in there. Pineapple's really strong in this thing. We're copying each other tonight. And southern fried chicken and mashed potatoes. She had one of the Scooby snacks, or a little taste of it. She wasn't a fan, so I drank the rest of hers, and she said, "You can't have any more," because I guess she don't want to carry me to the room. I guess she thinks that that's what it's going to be. So anyway, so I'm going to eat, but not in front of you. It's turning you off until I get my banana cream pie. This is the banana cream pie. They serve this for breakfast too, but it looks a little different. But I'm sure it tastes the same. try it. Looks like they put a little chocolate right there. It's good. They have this little thing right here. It's a little different from breakfast, but it's still really good.